Hello and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to integrate and configure the Ozonetel app in BoldDesk. You will learn how to map Ozonetel phone numbers, set up call workflows, and manage phone calls in BoldDesk. Ozonetel is a cloud-based communication tool that enables businesses to improve their customer interactions over phone calls. It offers features like virtual numbers and IVR systems for handling customer inquiries. To begin, I log into my BoldDesk account as an administrator. I navigate to the admin module and open the marketplace page. Here, I search for and select the Ozonetel app. I click Install to open the Ozonetel app configuration page. I enter the Ozonetel username, API key, and the BoldDesk API key. I then click Verify and Continue. To see how to generate your own BoldDesk API key, check out the documentation linked in the description below. In the webhook section, I generate the webhook URL and the access token. These values will be used later under the Ozonetel campaign settings. I click Next to open the permissions configuration section, where I set the visibility of the Ozonetel app to all roles in the permissions section. I click Save to complete the configuration. Next, I will show you how to set up the prerequisites for using the Ozonetel app. I start by logging into my Ozonetel admin account and navigating to the campaign module. Under the Campaigns tab, I click Create Campaign. In the Create Inbound Campaign page, I fill in the required fields under each tab on the campaign settings page. Now I will map Ozonetel phone numbers in BoldDesk. In the Ozonetel configuration page, I select Manage and click Add Number to open the window. Here, I enter the identification name and choose the Ozonetel number from the drop-down menu. I select the brand, category, and group details so that the tickets and activities created for this number will automatically be assigned to them. I click Add to complete the process. To manage Ozonetel phone calls in BoldDesk, I need to log into the Ozonetel widget as an agent. From the left navigation bar, I open the Ozonetel module by selecting the phone icon. I log into my Ozonetel account using the account ID, agent ID, phone number, and password. Now I can initiate a phone call by navigating to the Manual tab in the Ozonetel window and selecting the inbound campaign that I created earlier. Then I enter a contact number and change my status to Ready. This will activate the call button, which I click to initiate the call. After the call ends, a ticket will be created, and the call details will be reflected in it. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. Don't forget to check out our other integration videos from the playlist above. Thanks for watching.